Want to get more done in less time? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to improve your productivity with Keypirinha. We'll explore practical features that can help you launch apps faster, search files instantly, perform calculations, and automate everyday tasks, all from one lightweight launcher. Start by getting comfortable with Keypirinha's launcher shortcut. Instead of navigating through the Start menu every time, press your assigned shortcut to open the launcher instantly. Yeah, this simple habit can save several seconds every time you use your computer. Use Keypirinha to open your favorite applications, documents, and folders with just a few letters. As you type, the launcher automatically narrows the results, helping you find what you need much faster than browsing through folders. Take advantage of Keypirinha's built-in features. You can perform quick calculations, search the web, open bookmarks, and run custom commands without switching between multiple applications. Keeping these tools in one launcher makes everyday tasks much more efficient. Spend a few minutes customizing Keypirinha to match your workflow. Configure search catalogs, create custom commands, organize bookmarks, and adjust package settings for the tools you use most often, so small customizations can make a big difference over time. For the best experience, let Keypirinha start automatically when Windows launches and keep it updated with the latest version. That way, it's always available whenever you need quick access to your files, applications, and shortcuts. And that's how to improve your productivity with Keypirinha. Once you build the habit of using it every day, you'll spend less time searching and more time getting things done. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other Keypirinha tutorials for even more productivity tips.